नमस्ते बिटियो, खुश रहिए बिटियो। I, JVN Dr. Pravinder Singh, Professor and HOD, Department of Homeopathic Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University welcomes you all on the digital version. Today's topic is specialty and originality of homeopathic pharmacy. Specialty of homeopathic pharmacy. A philosophy, homeopathic pharmacy has philosophical background. It has a philosophical background, but in other systems, there is no such philosophy. Homeopathic pharmacy deals with a specialized system of therapeutic art and science, and it's having specificity in its mode of preparation, administration, and modus operandi. Homeopathy is based on holistic and individualistic approach of disease. It treats the patient as a whole and not the disease. Hahnemann says there is no disease but sick people, but other system of medicine treat the disease and not the patient. Homeopathic pharmacy is based on the theory of dynamization, distinguishing painstaking of homeopathic pharmacy. It is painstaking accuracy of details and the avoidance of all mixture of medicinal substances so that during specified method of drug proving, latent power of drug explode the properties in the form of subjective and objective symptoms. Drug proving. Each and every drug gets entry in homeopathy after the complete proving. Drugs are tested on the healthy human beings. It is mentioned in aphorism 108 by Hahnemann in Organon of Medicine, and in both males and females, it is mentioned in aphorism 127 and different age groups. During the proving, subjective and objective symptoms are noted with the great importance. Drugs are proved in their natural form, though attempts are being made to prove alkaloids or artificial chemical substances. In drug proving, doses used are from minute to infinitesimal potencies. Preparation of medicine is very easy. Only two methods, succussion and trituration are, and three scales, decimal scale, centesimal scale, and 50 millisimal scales are used. Homeopathic pharmacy preserves as a fully as possible the natural complex of a drug and no side effects. No side effects and any post recovery injurious effects are found. The object of homeopathic pharmacy is to prepare each substance so that the whole of its active virtues shall be present in the form suitable for the administration. Introduction of nosodes, sarcodes, and imponderabilia is a specific aspect of homeopathic pharmacy. Fresh material used. The freshness of material is also a distinctive feature in homeopathic pharmacy. Homeopathy aspect Homeopathy expects a drug with its entirety and totality without attempting to separate a drug into its specific chemical constitution. Homeopathic pharmacy demonstrates the power of capacity in infinitesimal dose of high potency in the field of homeopathy. Homeopathic medicine acts on dynamic plane pharmacodynamics, which helps to study the individual drug action and addition to its general action. Homeopathic pharmacy demonstrates the power of capacity of an infinitesimal dose of high potency. Thank you. That's all for today. It's the specialty and originality of homeopathic pharmacy. नमस्ते बिटियो, खुश रहिए बिटियो।